Hello friends, we are back with one very quick update and very useful one. In this video we are going to learn how to import multiple MCQs using a single file and upload them on Moodle in a single go. So instead of creating all the questions one by one, we can write them in a text file or doc file and then upload the file and all the questions will be uploaded. So all we have to do is just keep a simple pattern. So the pattern is you should write the question text, then the choices should be written as ABCD, not 1 2 3 4, and then after every choice you should put a dot. So A dot B dot like this, and right after all the choices you mention answer in capital with a colon without any space here, and then give a space and write the correct option whether it is A, B, C, D. Then you can start writing the second one, give the choices, give the answer, and as many as you want. So you write all of these, and when you save it, just make sure that when you are saving it, it is a text file and encoding is UTF-8. So just save it with any name. Fine. Once you are done with this, then we come to our question bank and we go to the questions. Here you have the option of importing. Select the first one, Aken format, that is what will support that UTF format text file. Go to general and select the category where you want to import. So I am going to import, let us say here in section 1, and browse the file, and we upload it. So file is here. When we import it, so you can see these are the 5 questions which are going to be imported, and we click on continue, and in my question bank I have these 5 questions here. You can preview them. They are exactly like how you create multiple choice questions. There are few questions in the text where you want to write equations or where you want to put some pictures also, which you are not able to do in a text file. So you can now go and edit this question, and you can edit the text. Whatever you want to do, you can do it now. So this is one very easy way. And one more thing, the way we are uploading the questions, it is not supporting negative marking. So if you want negative marking, you will have to do the negative grades here manually. So that will be equally challenging task. So if you are not targeting negative marking, you can upload multiple choice questions, all of them in a single file. Now coming to the Word, the same thing we have to do. Some of you, some of us are more comfortable with Word. So this is my Word file, and here I can save it as a doc file, that is fine. So this is mcqs.tx doc, but Moodle will not accept doc file. So here also I have to convert this into a text file only. So save as, I will select plain text, and in the advanced settings we'll have to, so once I save it, then it will ask me what coding I have to use, and there I have to select Unicode UTF-8. So this is selected with mcqs.txt, and I can delete these 5 questions and import the file which is created using the doc file. So I again go and go to the categories in the same section. I'm going to select, yes, this one, mcqs.txt, which is made from doc file, and then I upload it, import it, and same 5 questions in the same format will be imported. So this is one quick way of adding multiple MCQs with a single file, and the file will remain with us for future use also. Thank you.